Today is a day from the middle of 2025, and I truly believe that if you start working hard from now until December, right before the new year, you can build a monetizable YouTube channel that generates passive income of more than $1,000 every single month. The key is to take action, believe in yourself, stay consistent, and work hard. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a channel in a simple yet genius niche. It published its first video just 2 months ago. But wait, if you are finding it hard to keep up with creating content for all your social media platforms, growing and diversifying can be a challenge, especially when time is limited. But what if you could make it easier? By repurposing your long-form content, you only need to record once and then share it across multiple platforms to boost your growth. That's why you should try NexusClips. This tool is a favorite among creators of long-form videos and live streams. Thanks to this platform, you can easily create multiple short videos from a single long-form video. For example, let me show you how it works. I have a long video here that I want to turn into short clips. First, click on this option and select your video. The tool uses AI to suggest moments, providing a simple rating for each one. As you can see, this moment in the video has an 85 rating. You can either choose the suggested moments or create your own clip by clicking the Create Clip button on the right. Before you start, make sure to connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Once that's set up, select the part of the video you want, then click Edit Clip. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Now you can customize how your video looks. For example, I'll add my AI avatar at the top and place the screen at the bottom. You can also add stickers, hooks, and subtitles with various templates. After finalizing your edits, download the video by clicking the Share button. This tool works for any niche, so give it a try. NexusClip link in the description. Now, it's important to note that the first few videos didn't get many views, but that's okay. If we look at the current subscriber count, we can see the creator already has over 7,000 subscribers with just 14 videos. Even more impressive, if we check the channel's analytics from the last month, it received more than 264,000 views in just the past 28 days. This resulted in revenue of over $900. And remember, this was achieved in just 3 months, with only 14 videos. That's a completely doable and realistic result, even without extreme effort. So guys, in this video, we're going to explain and show you how to create a channel like this from zero to hero. If you find this helpful, don't forget to leave us a simple comment. It really motivates us to keep creating this kind of content. Alright guys, as we mentioned before, this channel is producing great content in the what if niche. On YouTube, there's already a big channel doing well in this niche, but Stay Curious stands out by using animation and images instead of real-life footage. So today, we're going to create a similar video using animated visuals. First, we copy the link of the channel. After that, we paste it into the first prompt. Then we copy the entire first prompt and go to ChatGPT. We send it there and wait for ChatGPT to give us a basic analysis of the channel. Once that's done, we ask it to suggest some ideas, similar to how the Stay Curious channel starts with, what if? After we receive the ideas, we go through them and pick one. We copy the chosen idea and paste it into the second prompt. But here's the twist. Instead of making long-form videos that are several minutes long like others might do, I'm going to focus on creating shorts videos, just a few seconds long. As you can see, we change the format to fit shorts. We paste the idea, then copy the second prompt and send it to ChatGPT. It will write a script for us. If you're not satisfied with the first script, you can always ask it to write a new one until you're happy with the result. Then after that, we copy the script and paste it into the final prompt, as you can see. Once that's done, we copy the entire prompt and send it to ChatGPT, and boom! It gives us the best possible prompt we can use to create images with AI. Now, let's go back to the script and copy it, just like you see. Then we open 11 Labs, choose the best voice that fits the style we want for the voiceover, paste the script into the text box, and click Generate. We wait until the voiceover is ready, and then we download it. Next, we go to Pixabay and search for background music that fits the niche and topic of the video. Once you find a suitable track, download it, but make sure to read the copyright information first to avoid any legal issues. Now we'll go to Leonardo AI to generate the images using AI. First, we change the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, we return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into the Leonardo input box, just like you see. Then we click the Generate button. We repeat the same process with the other prompts. We go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into Leonardo, and generate the images. Once all the images are ready, we download them, just like you see. After downloading all the images, we're ready for the next step. Now we go to Runway ML. We upload the images one by one, and for each image, we add its corresponding prompt, just like you see. Then we click the Generate button. We repeat this process for all the images. To save time, don't wait for each video to finish before moving to the next. Do them all at the same time. Once all the videos are generated, we download them. Then we open the CapCut application. Here, we import all the assets we prepared earlier. We start by adding the voiceover, as you can see. Then we begin adding the videos one by one. Make sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, just like you see. Arrange the clips according to the script, and feel free to cut or speed up the videos to match the timing of the voiceover and script. After setting up all the video clips, it's time to add some finishing touches. First, we add transitions between each video clip, just like you see. After that, you can add visual effects. Personally, I'll go with the vignette effect and set its opacity to 30%, as shown. Finally, we also have the option to add sound effects to the video, but in this case, I won't be adding any for this video. Now we go to the text option, then select Auto Captions. After that, we make sure the language is set to English, then we wait until the subtitles appear. Once the captions are generated, we move on to changing the template. We customize the color and also adjust the placement so that the captions are easy to read and appear clearly to the viewer. As a final touch, we can also add a black glow to the captions to make them stand out even better. After that, we add the background music, but make sure to reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. This way, the viewer can clearly hear the voiceover while still enjoying the music in the background. And that's it. The video is now complete. Bye-bye. We'll meet again in another video. Love you all. This is the final result.
Imagine aliens landing on Earth tomorrow. Little green men, or maybe giant floating eyeballs causing total chaos. Grandma might hide her cookies, thinking they're alien snacks, while governments hold emergency meetings, and conspiracy theorists finally get to say, "I told you so." Meanwhile, aliens would be utterly confused by our food. What is this? Pizza? Is it alive? Should I run? And we'd all just hope they don't abduct anyone during Taco Tuesday. Would they come in peace, or just want to borrow our Wi-Fi? Either way, Earth would never be boring again. Say goodbye to dull Mondays, and hello to intergalactic selfies. So, what would you do? Welcome our new alien neighbors or hide under your bed? Let me know.